power here. And then on the other side, right now, key on or key off, I have no power. So that is supposed to be that way until you depress the gas pedal on this cart. So what my assistant's going to do here, he's going to go press the pedal right now. So you can see, there you go. So that is power being transmitted through that starter solenoid. So what you know is you have power to this point, right? And then you had initially no power, which you're supposed to until you depress the gas pedal. It'd be like cranking over your engine like in a vehicle, right? So that power is transmitted then. Once you depress the gas pedal, in this case for this golf cart, the power is transmitted through the starter solenoid. So I know right now that battery's good, power's good, solenoid's operating correctly. I can hear it clicking and